family.
Everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm sure you all must be excited that we are starting IMA's Fun-Filled Friday today.
Yes.
Yes. But isn't it Thursday?
Today is Guruji's birthday, Aparna.
Oh, yeah, right.
Hey, let's catch him by surprise and start Fun-Filled Friday with him.
Wow, yeah, that's definitely a great idea. Let me just try getting him on the call. Just 1 second. Happy birthday, Guruji.
Happy birthday, Guruji.
Happy birthday, Guruji.
Happy birthday. Every day is a birthday for me. So anyway, I'm so happy to get you your greetings, and it inspires me that one more birthday has gone, the another birthday is coming. Every year I have always, birthdays make me feel that have I done enough the last year to merit a birthday. So the coming birthday, at least the next birthday, I will make it really worthwhile. Like that, I think like that.
That's
Thank
great.
you.
Awesome. Thank you, sir. So, Guruji, we are planning to start Fun-Filled Friday sessions.
What's that? Only Fun-Filled Friday?
Of course, all days are there, but just one day to remember, something special.
Why Friday? Have got some reasons. I will give you some.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, you can tell us.
Friday, for an Indian, Friday is very auspicious. The day of the mother, the day of the planet Venus, Shukra. Venus stands for beauty, femininity, fame, and achievements and all that. So that's Friday. And then Friday, another thing is that any Friday, whatever the nakshatra or Siddhi or whatever be there, but Friday is auspicious. Friday is always auspicious. So good, fun Friday.
But it's
Good.
a special exception that only this is the first time we're going to start on Thursday and not on a Friday because it happens to be your birthday. So, yeah. Okay, Guruji. So, IMA's Fun-Filled Friday is a walk down memory lane by the big TVG IMA family.
Good.
And so we are going to bring one snippet every Friday from different people who learned under you, who knew you, and we wanted to start with you, Guruji. Yes.
Good.
Are you ready, Guruji, for this fun-filled interaction with us today?
So, Guruji, let me start the first question. What was the first song you learned from your Guru, Chembai Mama?
How come such a long record? Rara Muralidhara Madhupanalasa Manasa Krishna Rara Muralidhara. That song.
Wow, that's so nice.
On Guru Vairappa.
Wow,
Very
Guruji.
very.
Guruji. I have a special question for you, Guruji. If you were given a boon, to time travel, to go back to the time and visit some musician or a legendary composer, whom would you choose to and why?
I would always prefer Tyagaraja. Tyagaraja, I think, among all mortals, why call him mortal? Because he was born, he was raised up, and he became a musician, seer, composer, and a very fantastic human being, and a saint, and a yati, everything he became. So, but all a thinker, human being, thinking human being can become, that he became. Tyagaraja, Muthuswami Dikshidhar, Shama Shastrigal, and Swadhi Nal, and Buddha Andvar, who lived before that, Arunachala Kavi, so many, Parashna Bharati and all that. They all lived this golden era of culture. So, and of all of them, I have great regard for all of them. For all of them, Tyagaraja was one complete human being, really complete human being. He always inquired. The mind was always inquiring, not complacent, never complacent, never what you call, like that. The computer has so much information, but the net result is that you get whatever you want from one source. So that is Tyagaraja.
Wow. That's
Are you happy?
Yeah, very happy.
Yeah.
I have a hypothetical question for you, Guruji.
Yeah.
If you were not a musician, what would you have wanted to be?
Me, originally I would have wanted to be a doctor. But after living for all these years, more than 8 decades, I hesitate. I think I could have been a sadhu for all that.
Thank you, Guruji. So I
God
have
bless you.
last question to end the Fun Filled Friday with. And so it is, you were one of the earliest Indian musicians to have traveled across the globe for concerts. And like no one can forget the world tour that you along with Pandit Ji did with the legendary band Beatles. So I'm sure you would have had many memories with them. Can you just share one unique concert experience with them?
Many experiences, many memories. One concert, the last concert, we had 4 concerts in Madison Avenue, Madison Gardens in New York, just before we dissembled. That concert was, George was very keen that we should all play together and all that, which was not happening. So that day, I had a solo duet with Allah Rakha, a great tabla player. Only we had solos, myself and Khan Sahab. All the others, they played only compositions altogether. And it was, of course, condition put by myself that I said, this instrument is being seen by the Americans for the first time. So unless I have an opportunity to give them at least 5 minutes of individual representation of this instrument. They could not spell the name. They said it is a Congo-shaped instrument. They know the Congo. So I said that Congo. And the Rolling Stones said that I was the most inspiring musician of the group. So, anyway, this concert was, in my solo, during my solo, the spotlight comes only on me and my instrument, my mridangam. The entire auditorium is black, totally dark. Then I play one round, Khansa plays one round of half a minute like that. And one round of mine, which was about 2 minutes or 1 minute or so, I played and then I entered with a. So that band was traveling through the entire auditorium like that. The sound was, the musical sound was going on. Then entire auditorium was lighted up like anything for an encore. Full of lights, cigarette lighters, candles, whatever it is, matchboxes. The entire auditorium was lit. And I had a photograph of that. I don't have it now. I am very unhappy. Where I had a lot of hair there, my hair flying, and myself, my face, my instrument, and the lights. Only. No faces, no human beings. So this experience, very special.
Very special. I think if someone gave me an opportunity to time travel and see something, I think I would go back. And the way you explained it, it's like as though I was there. I was right there witnessing it.
Exactly.
Take me also.
Of course. Thank you so much, Guruji.
So I
My
think
day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji. It was really so awesome. And even if we caught you unaware, thank you so much for joining us today. And I think there's so much more to hear from you or more to unveil out of you. And definitely we are going to catch you more often. We have so much more to ask you.
I personally feel that it's a very, very uniquely important day in my life because I don't like reminiscing normally. It's like crying over spilt milk, reminiscing. But here, this reminiscing is different because I am opening a new world to you by reminiscences. I create a new world so that you know these things are happening. These things will happen and happen again. Only we have the patience and the dynamism to look for. That's all. So I feel very inspired and quite a good surprise. Good. I'm happy. God bless you.
Thank you, Guruji. All of us
Thank you,
are.
Guruji.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you,
so
Guruji.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
We really must start a vlog series for Guruji.
Wow, that's a great idea. So keep an eye on the space for more such videos.